Can't imagine yourself splashing around in the pool without listening to your favorite playlist? Put your waterproof headphones on and the problem is solved. Swimming, kayaking and jogging in the rain does not require you to leave your headphones at home. Instead, these activities can be easily accompanied by a high-quality pair of waterproof headphones that will allow you to carry on doing what you are occupied with. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 waterproof headphones on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Iconzi Wireless. If a noise-canceling feature on headphones is your top priority, then the model offered by Iconzi is your best choice. The built-in noise reduction feature helps you get in the zone when working out and deliver your best performance. The IPX7 rating tells you about their sweat and water resistance qualities. You can sweat profusely all over your headphones as well as take a shower without having to take them off. The 120-degree tilting mechanism provides you with the just right fit no matter how big or small your ears are. This is also achieved thanks to the 5 sets of ear caps of different sizes that come with the headphones. When fully charged, you can use your Iconzi waterproof headphones for up to 4 hours. This is particularly useful for longer workouts that are followed by the half-an-hour showers and hour-long commutes. Number 2. Tagri Bluetooth Earbuds. Tagri Bluetooth earbuds are the perfect companion for any music enthusiast. These sleek and stylish earbuds provide unbeatable sound quality. The rich bass and clear treble will make you forget you're even wearing earbuds. And thanks to the long-lasting battery life, you won't have to worry about running out of power mid-song. Overall, they are a fantastic choice for anyone in search of a top-of-the-line pair of earbuds. The earbuds are specifically designed to create an excellent listening experience. These earbuds have a lot to offer. A few key features include a long-lasting battery life, wireless charging capabilities, an LED-powered display, one-step pairing technology, an ergonomic design, and superior sound quality. They will surely provide you with everything you need while listening to your favorite music or podcasts. The only drawback is that they might become slightly uncomfortable to wear after extended use, earning them a 4.7 out of 5. But even so, whether you're looking for headphones to use while working out or traveling along your daily commute, these Tagri Bluetooth earbuds are worth your consideration. Number 3. Jabra Elite Sports. Although the Jabra Elite Sports waterproof earbuds are not swim-friendly, they are definitely suitable for intense outdoor exercises with sweating and after-shower involved. There are no wires or cords attached to them. You are provided with 2 plugs that fit your ears perfectly well. Thanks to the 3 sizes of ear gels that come with the headphones, you will certainly find the right fit for you. You will find 2 microphones in each earbud that filter out the noise and allow you to listen to music without interruptions. The battery life of this gadget is impressive. You have got 4.5 hours of playback that can be extended up to 13.5 with a portable charging case in use. This means that no workout and errand running is too time-consuming for you. As if the Elite model was not high-end enough, the manufacturer offers a 3-year warranty that is unlike what any other headphone retailer can provide. Number 4. SwimBuds Sport. This new and improved pair of waterproof earbuds by SwimBuds is a splurge worth making. Not only does it come with 3 interchangeable fin tips to provide you with the best watertight seal, but it also has the shortest cord that is quite handy. There is a case you can use for transporting your waterproof earbuds from A to B with no accumulation of dust or dirt. The commitment of the manufacturer to reduce the carbon footprint resulted in the further improvement of the packaging of the headphones. Now they come in an eco-friendly pack that won't end up rotting in the landfill for hundreds of years. If you are in search of waterproof earbuds that can be tucked into the strap of your swimming goggles and forgotten about, we strongly suggest including this model in your narrowed-down list of waterproof headphones to consider investing in. Number 5. Sony Sports. If the budget allows, go for the Sony Sports MP3 waterproof headphones that quite frankly raise the bar high. Everything from their shape and sound to their features is to die for. The built-in 4GB memory, the 12-hour battery life and the quick tunes transfer from your laptop to your headphones is what makes it a worthwhile investment. Their ergonomic design enables you to schedule your day in a way that involves an hour of boxing, 2 hours of kayaking and an hour of jogging, all while keeping the headphones in your ears. Truth be told, you will forget you put them in at the beginning of the day. The construction of this device is so sturdy it received the title of waterproof, salt-proof and dust-proof headphones. You can easily use your Sony headphones in the salty water at the depth of 2 meters, they won't budge. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.